Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that could totally change the way we learn. We're talking about a new kind of textbook. And no, this isn't just another ebook. It's a living, breathing tool that's powered by the same kind of generative AI that is transforming, well, pretty much everything.
So let me just start with this question. What if your textbook wasn't just a book? What if it was also your own personal tutor? I mean, imagine having a guide that actually gets you, that adapts to your learning style, and helps you out whenever you get stuck. It's a really powerful idea, and it's right at the heart of what we're going to look at today. All right, so let's jump into our first section here, a textbook reimagined. We're talking about moving way beyond just words on a page and into a whole new learning experience.
Just look at the difference here. For like centuries, textbooks have been the same, right? They're static, they're one-size-fits-all, and they're a totally passive experience. You just read and hope you remember it. But an AI-native textbook, it's the complete opposite. It's dynamic, it's personalized just for you, and, this is the big one, it's interactive.
So what is an AI-native textbook exactly? Well, at its core, it's a digital book that has generative AI built right into its DNA. Don't think of it as just an ebook. It's more like a smart tool for personalized learning, on-the-spot translation, and real-time help. Now, to make this all feel a bit more real, let's check out an actual example. This is an advanced textbook on physical AI and humanoid robotics. And the cool part is, this isn't just a concept. It's a real working prototype that gives us a peek into what learning could look like in the future. And for any of you who are curious about what's under the hood, it's all built on a pretty modern tech stack. You've got Docusaurus for the front end, which makes the content super easy to read and navigate. The back end is FastAPI, which is lightning fast for handling all those AI requests. And of course, the whole thing is powered by generative AI. It's a combo that makes the whole textbook really robust and ready to scale. Okay, let's move on. Our next section gets into how this tech creates your very own personal curriculum. Seriously, this is where the magic really starts to happen, for you, the learner. And check out how simple it is. You just start a chapter, click one little button that says Personalize, and boom! The system generates an explanation of the tricky concepts that's tailored specifically to your background. It doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or an expert from another field. But the personalization doesn't stop there. The system can also, on demand, generate explanations in other languages. You can see an example here with Urdu. This just blows the doors open, making super complex knowledge accessible to people all over the world in a way that just wasn't possible before. Now, this is a really crucial point. The AI is not rewriting the original textbook. The expert-written, authoritative text is preserved. Instead, what the AI does is generate these adaptive explanations right alongside it, and they're clearly labeled. So you get the best of both worlds, the original, rigorous academic content, and a personal guide to help you make sense of it all. Okay, this brings us to another feature that is a total game changer, the trustworthy AI tutor. I mean, a personal curriculum is amazing, but what happens when you get really stuck on a specific question? Well, the solution is a RAG-based assistant. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. But in simple terms, it's an AI chatbot that's designed to only pull answers from the content inside the textbook. It literally can't make things up or browse the internet. And that is the key to making sure the help you get is trustworthy and accurate. And you can interact with it in two really clever ways. First, you can ask a general question about the chapter you're reading. Or, and this is my favorite part, you can highlight a specific sentence or even a paragraph and ask for an explanation of just that little piece. That gives you these super focused, contextual answers right when you need them. So, the main takeaway here is that every single answer is grounded in the text. You never have to second-guess it or worry about the AI hallucinating and giving you bad info, because its entire world is the verified content of that book. It's basically the perfect study partner. So, what does this all mean for the future? Let's zoom out a bit for our final section here and really think about learning's next chapter.
To make all of this personalization work in the long run, the system uses a really simple authentication process. This lets it create a profile for you so it can remember your background, your progress, and your preferences. And what that means is the AI actually gets better and better at helping you over time.
And that leaves us with one final big question to think about. When a textbook can adapt to every single reader, explaining things based on their background, answering their unique questions, even speaking their language, are we watching the beginning of the end for one-size-fits-all education? It's a pretty profound shift, and it feels like we are just at the very beginning.